Hi, so today I'm going to be doing a review and demo of the new Sleek Vitality Foundation. I'm using the shade VF14. It's a new foundation from Sleek. It claims to be light to medium coverage, moisturizing but oil free. So I reckon this will be quite good for people that have dry skin or combination of dry skin. This is the other foundation, the Life Proof foundation, and this is more of a matte finish. So I'm expecting this to be a bit more sheer and a bit more dewy, I guess. Yeah, they're both oil free. This one is sweat proof and medium to full coverage, whereas this one is more of a moisturising factor in there. They're both 30ml despite the difference in packaging, 30ml or 1 fluid ounce. But yeah, if you want to see how I got on with it, then just keep watching. So I'm doing all this before I go to work because otherwise I won't be able to get it up in time for Face Friday, and I need to do an 8-hour test. And it's currently Wednesday, so let's just get on with it. I use the NYX First Base Primer Spray as always. And yeah, let's just get right into it. I'll do a swatch of both of them. So this is the Life Proof one, which is it's not thick, but it's not as runny as I'm expecting this one to be. Consistency is so runnier. I don't know if you can see a difference. I have it straight to my face. Like, as you can see, this is probably like the worst side. My skin is like so bad, literally. Makes me so sad. If this looks bad, then I have to go to work like this because I won't have time to like fix my face. So, Sleek, come and pull through. Sheer, lightweight, doesn't feel like I'm wearing much on my skin. As you can see, even though this girls aren't as dark on this side, I don't know if you can see my hair there, it still hasn't covered it, so it really is like light to medium coverage. Right, let's see if it's buildable. Okay. It's weird, I'm blocking the camera. Okay, it's buildable, I'd say. You can't really see that many scars, but I think what would work is if I colour corrected it, because it looks sort of like ashy and grey underneath where my scars are. So I think it'd be better if I colour corrected it and then put the foundation on top. I think that would work a lot better. But I'm not mad at the foundation. I absolutely love the Life Proof foundation, but because it is more of a demi matte, it really does show up in dry patches. So I've swerved from that for a bit. I'm not mad, but it's not covering here. It still looks, I don't know if you can see, it still looks quite grey here, so I'm probably gonna have to go over that with some concealer. But yeah, I suppose it really does just give a nice glow to the skin. It's not oily, because it is oil free. Yeah. Quite like that. Right, so I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and I will be back in a bit. Alright, so I've done my makeup and I'll check back in about 8 hours to see how it's held up. Hi. Right, so it has been 8 hours. I put it on about just after 8 o'clock and now it is 4:29, so 8.5 hours actually. And yeah, this is how the foundation is held up. I like the foundation. I can't say anything is wrong with it at all. As I stated earlier, I do have, at the moment, my skin is more combination to dry. So I do have a few dry patches and they haven't clung to it at all. It doesn't feel like there's anything on my face at all. It's heavy. I'm not saying the Life Proof is heavy, but it's a lot. It just feels like there's moisturiser on my skin or barely anything on my skin at all. I only set underneath my eye where I put concealer, and I had to put some concealer over my scars here because it looks a bit dark. The coverage is sheer, and for that reason I'd say probably colour correct or conceal before or after on any areas that you need to conceal. It has like creased in my smile lines, and my other foundations don't do it as much, but yeah, that's not really anything here or there. Yeah, I do still get oil in my T-zone, and I don't know about you, but I can't really see that much oil in my T-zone. I'm really happy with how it's held up. I didn't use any powder or setting spray to set the rest of my face, and it hasn't worn away. I've even wore a beret all day, so it's gone over on my forehead and it hasn't like taken any of my foundation off. So yeah, I'm really happy with it so far. I believe this is £8.99 in Boots. I'll leave a couple of links below where you could get the foundation. But yeah, I think this is really nice for summer, or if you're just looking to even out your skin tone. Yeah, I'd really recommend this, and I probably will be using it a lot more when I don't have as much scarring on my skin as well. But yeah, really happy with that. Probably give it an 8.5 out of 10 for blendability. It blends like a dream. Actually, you know what? I'll give it a 9 out of 10. It blends like a dream. I really like it, and I can't wait to use it more in upcoming months. If you came this far and liked the video, then thank you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.